Hey guys, this is Victoria with Meal Prep with the Twins. Today I'm going to be making Greek chicken pitas. The first step is to marinate the chicken. So if you're going to make a recipe like this, you're going to have to make it in advance because you're going to want to marinate the chicken for anywhere from 4 to 12 hours. You can even marinate it overnight if you want. I started with some 0% fat Greek yogurt, added in some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, some black pepper, red pepper flakes, some Himalayan pink salt, some oregano, mixing that together. Then I'm going to microwave a lemon and use my strainer to avoid getting the seeds into the marinade. If you microwave the lemon, you get the most juice. 30 seconds should do it. Pressing out some garlic with my garlic press. So easy to mince garlic with that thing. I highly recommend. After that, I'm cutting up some red onion. Adding that in. And there we have some mint, some fresh mint. Just cutting that up, and I'm going to add that to the mixture as well. I have a dill plant. I'm just cutting off and snipping off some of the pieces, rinsing them, and then adding that in. Giving it a good mix. You can see what the marinade looks like. Now it's time to wash the chicken. I have some chicken breast tenderloins. I'm going to take that, put it in a strainer, rinse it with water as well as white vinegar to clean it. I always recommend cleaning your chicken. You can bleach down your sink after you're done, but definitely clean your meat before you use it. I'm taking those tenderloin strips and you will just see me cleaning off the excess skin and dicing them up into bite-sized pieces and throwing them as I go into the marinade. So you can see I cut up all the chicken and now I'm just mixing it into the marinade really, really good. There you have it. It looks delicious. It smells so good. But then I put it into the fridge. So now I'm making the tzatziki sauce. I'm using about a cup of that same zero fat Greek yogurt, actually a cup and a half. I am grating some cucumber. I add the cucumber in, but I leave a little bit extra for garnish later on. Of course, some more mint. Cutting that up. Giving the yogurt a nice stir, getting my dill plant, adding some lemon juice. You know I microwave it first. Get the most juice that way. Adding in some of the cucumber, the mint, a little more cucumber. Add as much as you like. Cutting off some more dill. Pretty much going to use this whole plant by the time I'm done. Adding that dill in, adding some dried mint, some cumin, some pink salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, mixing that in well. Just to make it pretty, I like to add some in the middle just for garnish. Now we are adding 3 cups of water, some garlic, and 1 chicken bouillon cube, along with about 1½ teaspoons of turmeric powder to the water. Let it boil. Add in some olive oil as well, and some pink salt. Give it a nice stir. Then I'm adding in 1½ cups of jasmine rice. That's my favorite rice, so you'll see me using it a lot in my videos. Adding that in, put a top on it. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil to my cast iron skillet. Got the chicken that I have left marinating for several hours. And I'm just adding that to the oil once it's hot. It's on about medium-high heat. I let that cook for a while until the chicken is cooked all the way through and no longer pink on the inside. Adding just a bit more seasoning. I like to add Slap Your Mama seasoning. It adds a little spice. Added a little parsley for garnish. Now I'm throwing those pitas in the oven on broil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep your eye on it, don't let it burn. Filling those pitas with the chicken. Don't worry, it will not get soggy over the week. I have done this many times. The pita holds up very well. You can add your meat in. Don't worry about it getting soggy by the end of the week. Just filling those pitas up with the delicious Greek chicken. As you can see, I transferred the rice over to a container. I love Corningware. Comes with a glass lid, a plastic lid, and it's just pretty. Now I'm adding the tzatziki sauce over the chicken. I add a lot because I really enjoy it, and as I eat it, I add more because that sauce is just so good with that chicken. And then you'll just see me kind of garnish and decorate the top with some more of that cucumber. Cut up and added a little bit more dill. And some red pepper flakes to make it all pretty. I believe food should look as good as it tastes. And there you have it, Greek chicken pitas. I hope you guys enjoy.